Alba de la Peña from the city of Talisay, representing the Hala de Sal Festival.
The municipality of Corbon, the Tumbang Festival.
Qatari Semblante from the municipality of Liloan, representing Rosquillos Festival.
Brittany Noynay Berlason from the municipality of Argao, La Torta Festival.
And Grace Mendez from the municipality of Carmen, Sinulog sa Carmen.
Awi City representing Panagtagpo Festival.
From the city of Naga, representing the Kita Festival.
Princess Jane Rodrigo Caldo from the municipality of Daan Bantayan, representing Malataya Festival.
Mary Yasmin Fabian from the city of Karkar, representing the Kapkaban Festival. Kyra Ray Hopkins from the municipality of Minglanilla, Sugat Kabanhawan Festival. Princess Janelle Mudron from the municipality of Katmon, Budbud Kabul Festival. Christine Akula Escadilla from the municipality of Cordova, Dinaga Festival.
Lisa Corazon Pilapilaran from the municipality of Sambuan, loud and proud, the Gayday Festival! Maayong hapon sa tanan, Maren Angelica Sarmiento Cabaron, nagarepresentar sa lungsod sa Moalbuan ang Gagasangan Festival!
Keisha Carmel Kanamazulazula from the municipality of Compostela, representing the Kumpirasa Compostela Festival. Good afternoon, Cebu. My name is Catherine Kanama Nepomuceno, mapasigarbong nagrepresentan sa Kuyayak Festival of the City of Bugo.
Bata ba dyan?
Ang Maphala Buhat from the municipality of Banyan, Banay Festival. Sophie Maxim Margarita Granmo from Lapu-Lapu City, representing the Garbo of Lapu-Lapu Festival. This is Shauri Rivera from the municipality of Sogod, Panagsugod Festival.